manager kept forgetting my break. I worked in a cafeteria on campus at my university. It was wonderful because I could take shifts around lectures and didn't lose time traveling. The manager used to sit in her office on the phone or just disappear for long periods of time. I didn't mind because I liked my other coworkers and she left us alone to do our thing. I always volunteered to do the closing shift because the owner let me take home all the leftover food. It basically kept me and my housemates alive, and we were very grateful. The problem was, on a 5-hour or longer shift, you had to take a 30-minute break. I'd always ask when mine was, but she'd always say later, "We're too busy." I'd usually end up just working the whole 5 hours. I didn't mind until I realized she was only paying me for 4.5. I asked her about it, and she said if I didn't take my breaks, that wasn't her problem. Cue malicious compliance. My next closing shift was 4.5 hours of opening hours and finished 30 minutes after closing. Everyone else went at 7, and I stayed back by myself to clean everything in 30 minutes. It was a big job, but I had it down pat. The entire shift I kept asking her if I could take my break, and she kept saying no. So at 7, I took my apron off and walked out, saying I'll be taking my break now since we were too busy before. I sat in the cafeteria and watched her clean that entire place. It took her well over an hour. The next day she had a break scheduled